welcome back to another video. It is officially spring and I am so excited. So I have been back to what is now the woodpecker's nest again a few times this week, just to see if the woodpeckers really would take the nest back from the nuthatch, and it seems like they did. I only seen the male, so I am assuming, or well, I'm hoping the female is inside sitting on their eggs. So fingers crossed, eventually I will be sharing with you some woodpecker chicks. Something I have been enjoying doing now the days are getting longer is to go for evening walks just before sunset. The wildlife are already becoming active around this time, and I actually seen 3 pine martens this week, which was really nice. I also got some footage of this little squirrel. Unfortunately, it's still too dark at this time to take any nice photographs. Me and my boyfriend took a little trip to our local lake one evening because we had heard from a friend that they had a very special wildlife encounter and we wanted to go and see for ourselves. But before that, we had a really amazing encounter with a male kestrel. This was the first time I had captured something like this, so it was really exciting. The very special animal was a beaver, and we waited right until it was basically dark, but we seen a beaver for the first time and it was incredible. I couldn't believe that we actually found one. There was basically no light at this point, so I could only get a little bit of video, but we will be going back quite often, so hopefully there will be some beautiful beaver photography to come. that is what I have for you guys this week. A very exciting start to spring. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to know what you're up to, what you're photographing. You can leave me a comment and let me know, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.